Got an EDE file from vintage music sampler work? This is a disk image format used with Ensoniq EPS samplers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Ensoniq EPS disk image files for sample library work. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor EDE corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. EDE files are disk image files containing data from Ensoniq EPS sampler floppy disks. They preserve the contents of original Ensoniq sampler disks for use with hardware Ensoniq samplers via floppy emulators or with software emulators recreating the classic Ensoniq sampling environment for music production and preservation. EDE disk image files use the Ensoniq EPS native disk format with proprietary sector layouts, file allocation tables, and sample data structures. The format preserves complete disk content including system files, instrument banks, sample audio data, and sequencer files in their original Ensoniq-specific organization. The primary software for EDE is recognized as Chicken Systems Ensoniq Disk Tools, developed by Chicken Systems. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows offers minimal visibility, so proper access depends on disk imaging software. Start by right-clicking the EDE file and selecting Open With. Test Chicken Systems. Ensoniq Disk Tools first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some EDE files are very particular about the opener. If your EDE file is not opening yet, that is normal. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, using with floppy emulators. Transfer EDE files to USB floppy emulators like HXC or Gotek, installed in Ensoniq EPS samplers. The emulator presents EDE images as virtual floppies, enabling original hardware to load samples without physical disks. This solution preserves authentic sampling experience while eliminating floppy disk reliability issues. Next, loading in software emulators. Use Ensoniq EPS software emulators or sample format converters to access EDE content on modern computers. Tools like Epsilon or specialized Ensoniq disk image readers extract individual samples and instrument banks for use in current digital audio workstations as standard audio formats. Finally, converting to WAV. Extract individual samples from EDE images using specialized tools converting to WAV format for use in modern samplers and DAWs. Tools like a WAV Studio or specialized Ensoniq utilities handle the format conversion, preserving sample audio quality while making content accessible across modern music production software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.